calculate the sum of the values in that particular group. Those things, you know, right? Hmm. Would I forget to give the auto, right? Yeah. Count, average we have discussed, and sum also we have discussed. And group by also we have discussed. Okay. Tell me the syntax for the count, count statement. For count, tell me the syntax. Select,
Select count,
count,
column
column,
name,
column
from
name,
table name,
from
from table name.
this.
No, sir, after the brackets.
Yeah, I forget that. I didn't see that. No? From table name.
Table name.
Correct? Hmm. For average also same syntax, but in place of the count we use average. And here also same, in place of the count we need to give average. Here in place of count we need to use the sum, right? Group by class. Okay. For group by class, select. Tell me the syntax. Select,
Column name,
column,
name,
yeah, column name,
from student,
column
from
name,
table, from
from
table name,
table name,
table name,
table name,
group by,
group by, group
column
by,
name.
column name. This is a syntax for the group by class. Okay, you know count, average, sum. These things, you know. What these things are going to do? These are the aggregative functions. Okay, these are aggregative functions. Aggregate functions. These are called as a aggregate functions. Actually, we have the sum, average, and count, and min, max also there. Yeah. We have two another aggregative functions. Those are min and max. Okay. Here, our count will give you the exact number of the values. How many? That means in database, how many values that particular column may contain. It will provide that one. Average, it will calculate all the column values with the sum of the column values divided by the number of the column, right? Then you can get the average, and sum also you can get. And when it comes to the min and max, in that particular column, minimum value will going to be displayed when you use the min aggregative function. Okay, which is going to be displayed minimum value. When it comes to the
Maximum value.
maximum value will come. The min of function, this is a function, it returns the smallest value. Smallest value of the selected column, right? In column only it will provide the smallest value. And when it comes to the max, it will provide you the maximum value, means it will provide you the largest value. Okay, largest value of the selected column. Okay, come to the SSMS. Okay, tell me what is the full form of SSMS? Okay, not anyone? SQL Server Management System. Okay, Yeah, remember that one. Actually, in when you are going to download the SQL, you have multiple versions of the SQL. You can download the MySQL and Oracle SQL and Microsoft SQL. Which one we are using? Oracle SQL or Microsoft SQL?
Microsoft, sir.
Yeah, Microsoft SQL. Okay. Commands also same when it comes to the Microsoft SQL and Oracle SQL, but somewhat different when it comes to the some examples like we also done that one, right? When it comes to the alter statement, we have done that one. In alter, it has provided I mean it will give you a some error, right? It has given a some error. What type of error? Anyone? That day we have discussed. For modifying the data, okay, at that time it has providing the some error because we apply the Oracle SQL command in the Microsoft SQL. That's the reason why it will provide you a it has provided a some error. Okay, remember that one. There is nothing that much difference between the Oracle SQL and Microsoft SQL, but there is a somewhat difference, that only. Now we are learning the Microsoft SQL, right? Then whenever you selected for some other company, that company may use the Oracle SQL. So you don't need to panic. I have learned the Microsoft SQL. Here they are asking you to do the Oracle SQL. You don't need to panic because both are same commands only. If you have any errors like that, then you can search. It will going to be sorted within a fraction of seconds only, because there is only slight difference. That because of that one, it will sort out very easily. Connect to server. Connect it quickly. Connect. New query. Open. Yeah, clear. Use Charan. Execute. And select star from what is a table name? Student 2, I think so. That day we have performed on student 2. Hmm. Here, if you see the names, marks, here column names are S number, S name, marks, and gender, right? Okay. If you want to find out which marks are highest one, then you need to write the select, select, select. Which one we need to write? Max of column name. What is the column name? Marks. Okay. Max of marks from what is the table name?
Student 2.
Student 2. Okay. Student 2. Yes. You can get the 99. Okay. Okay, tell me what is the purpose of this one? Here we are selecting multiple things. We can select the star. I mean, we also we can select the whole things from the database. We can select the some whatever the things, we can select the some columns from the data from the table. We can select the some particular rows from the table. What's the exact purpose of using these different types of select statements? Till now we have been discussing the same concepts on the select only, right? We have learned the how to collect the maximum of the values, how to collect the average values, how to collect the sum values from the tables, and how to print the rows and how to print the columns. What's the exact purpose of doing this one? In select only we have multiple statements, right? In select only we are going to select the data in multiple ways, right? What's the exact purpose of that one? Okay, real time example. You can take anything. It can show the results only. Then actually SQL is for database, right? Then
Yes.
uh, in real time, where you use Amazon. Okay, tell me. Correct. Amazon, Flipkart, like that. Where in Amazon? Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Yeah. Okay, fine. And second thing also here, if you go anything, Flipkart I can take. Right. Guys, I'm not getting. Yeah. Tell me. Tell me, Suresh. Actually, your voice is coming with the very low bass. That's the reason I'm not able to hear you properly. Else? Yeah. Tell me, Suresh. After complete. Hmm. Okay. Yeah. Okay, fine, clear. You know how where to use it like that. Here, I can give you another example also. Whenever you will go to the Flipkart web page and Amazon web page, like that, there after entering into the Flipkart web page, first thing what you do, here if you go to the Amazon or Flipkart web page, you go for one particular purpose, right? If you have a particular purpose, then only you go to the Flipkart. Otherwise you don't open the Flipkart and Amazon, correct? I want to purchase a shirt. That's the reason why I enter into the Flipkart. I want to purchase the shoes. That's the reason I just open that web page and see the Flipkart page, right? Whenever you want to purchase something, then only we select that one, right? And in some cases, I want to see the exact price of the some other things. Okay, I want to see the price of Vivo mobile. I want to see the price of the Oppo mobile. Okay, for that purpose also I can see. But what the main purpose is, after if you want to know anything about particular product, right? Either that product is related to the shoes, that product is related to the shirts, that product is related to the pants, whatever it may be. After entering to the Flipkart page, you are not going to scroll this one randomly, right? You just you just select the select bar first. Select now bar. In select bar, you can select that one, right? And just simply type. If I want shirts, okay, I just type the shirts. After typing that one, what you will get? What you will get? Shirts only, right? Ah, then that too, here there are how many sections? This section contains the navbar, and here it contains the another item. So I mean, this section contains all the items: electronics, TV application, appliances, men's wear, women's wear, kids wear, everything it contains. And when you see this particular box, in this box only, you will see the You will see the graphs, right? And left side, if you see here, what you will see here? Categories. Here, what is this section? Filter section, right? What is a filter section? Exactly what is in our terminology, in Flipkart terminology, what is a filter section?
Sir,
Okay,
it shows only the that
yes,
we have required.
yeah, it only shows the data what we have required, right? That means here, when you search the shirts only, it will show you unnecessary shirts to you, right? It won't show you exact shirt that you want, right? Randomly it will show you all the shirts. Then what you will do, you will select some brand, some things, brand. If I go to the brand, I will select the Allen Solly. Okay, then Flipkart will only show you here. See what shows, what type of shirts it is showing, guys. This particular brand only, right? Clear? Any other shirts has been visible here? No, only shirts related to that particular product is only visible here, because when you select this one, it will generate say one query to the database. What type of query it will generate? You can tell whatever it may be, just related to that one. After clicking the Allen Solly that brand, what type of command it will generate? Select, select select Allen Solly from shirts, right? Like that also we can discuss, right? Otherwise, we can also tell like that. In Flipkart web page, wait, let's take an example. Here, we can create a one table for the Flipkart products. Okay, Flipkart. Here, Flipkart, we have multiple things. Uh, Flipkart electronics and mobiles and shirts, pants. Okay, in electronics, I can give you some fans, uh, TV, labs, tabs, like that. Okay, tab we will take into consideration in mobile section. Okay, these three things, and here mixie. Here computers, systems. Okay, mobiles, Vivo, Oppo, Oppo brand. Okay, Oppo name. Uh, In Oppo, we have multiple versions, right? So Vivo and Nokia or Apple, whatever it may be, iPhone, Nokia. Shirts, brands only I am giving. Okay. Guys, tell me some brands related to the shirts. Polo, then Nike. Okay. Hey, Adidas. Yeah. Okay. White House, Puma. Okay, fine. Jeans. Then here, formal, spelling mistake. Formal, night pants. Then jogger. Cargo. Yeah, cargo. Then trucks. Fine. Hmm. Here, when I in our front end, okay, those when whatever we are going to see in the Flipkart web page, those web page will be developed has been developed by using some front end technologies, whatever it may be. They have provided the some section, some filters. Okay, in filter section they has been created like that. Okay, like they have opened one. hmm, They have opened the one bracket, one radio button like that, and they have provided the Allen Solly Polo. Okay, when user will go here and select this radio button, then Flipkart database, I mean Flipkart backend will generate say one query. What is that query? Select here whatever the data has been selected by the user, that data will comes here. Otherwise, select shirts. Actually, uh, okay, tell me. I just want to print the Allen's only. How can I print that one? In this table, this is a table, right? In this table we have these columns and we have this data related to this particular column. I want to print the only Allen's only which is related to the shirts column. Then how can I give you, how can I give that one? Select star from everything you want. Okay, select star from, tell me, then wait. Select star from Flipkart, right? Flipkart
Flipkart.
table name you have to give. Flipkart,
Where shirts is good.
where
Shirts is
shirts,
good.
shirts name like or equal to. Okay, fine. Okay, shirts equal to. Okay, that's okay. Okay, here I have to give only shirts. hmm, Shirts column only, right? Select shirts from Flipkart where shirts equal to Allen's only, right? Whenever user clicks this one, here Allen's only will come. Whenever user selects the polo, then what will happen?
Polo related shirts will come. Branded
Then in
shirts.
this double quotation, polo will comes, right? That only, right? Here, what is going to be happen? Till now, we are providing the data, right? As a developers, we are providing the data. When you are working in real time, then you have to collect the data from the user according to the user's wish. Okay, whatever the user select in the filter section. Okay, if user doesn't select anything, then you need to show all your detail, all the details to the user, right? You can here, even search bar is also a one type of filter. Whenever I enter into the Flipkart, whenever I enter into the Flipkart will show me each and everything. Okay, each and everything, it will show me the mobile phones, it will show me the laptops, it will show me the shoes, skirts, and each and everything it will shows us, right? But we need something. That's the reason why we have entered into the Flipkart page, right? So what you need, that need you have to mention in the search bar. I need a mobile phones. Then after that, in that Flipkart database, mobile mobile table will going to be displayed. After mobile table will going to be displayed, in this mobile table it will show you all the details related to the mobiles. That means it will show you all mobiles, means all type of mobiles: Apple, Oppo, Vivo, Realme, Redmi, okay, Nokia, Samsung, everything. It will going to be visible, right? then you need exactly some items. That means you need exactly Oppo mobiles, you need some exactly Vivo mobiles. Then what you will do, you need to raise a one query to the database. Okay, by using the filters only, that query will going to be raised. How that query, how we can use the filters? Here in the brand section we can select the Samsung or Vivo, Oppo, like that, right? You need to select the Samsung. Then what will happen, only Samsung mobiles from the mobile table will going to be displayed, right? Because you have selected the Samsung. Then again you can select another thing. Okay, another filter also you can select. Here I come and select the, I need a Vivo mobile with the, with some specifications. I need only 8 GB mobile phones. I don't need any mobile phones below below 8 GB. Okay, 8 GB RAM. Here you can see all the mobiles of Samsung only. Yeah, I need all the mobile phones related to the Samsung with the specification of 8 GB RAM. Like that, how query will going to be raised here? Let's take that one. In Flipkart database, there are multiple tables. In that table, we are accessing the mobile table. Select Samsung, Samsung, comma Samsung, comma another filter. 8 GB RAM. 8 GB RAM from 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 from
Mobile.
Flipkart. Yes. Okay, you can write. If you take Flipkart as your table, okay, then also, then you need to write the condition here, where mobile is equal to, in Flipkart date. Yeah, mobile is equal to. No, you don't need, right? Here. Yeah, wait. Columns. Okay, fine. Where mobiles equal to Samsung, I can use that only, because 8 GB RAM comes under this under the subset of Samsung only, right? That's the reason. Otherwise, you can actually, when you are working in the real time, when you know exact database, then you can easily write the query. Okay. Here we are assuming the databases, right? That's the reason why you can write. You can assume the queries also, but you have to think, or you have to visualize how you need to write all the queries related to the real time examples. Okay, like that, whenever you go to the Flipkart, you need to visualize that one. What you need to visualize that one, whenever I type anything here, what do you need to understand? One query will going to be raised to the Flipkart database. Then Flipkart will provide you the that particular data. As a developer, as a SQL developer, or as a web developer, as a backend developer, you need to understand that concepts. Okay, you are not a user. Here you are learning, right? That's the reason why when you are learning, you have to understand, or you have to visualize each and every concept perfectly. Okay, you can take any example. Whenever you enter into the Amazon, you have to understand. Whenever I type this one, what will going to be happen? Okay, as a user, I can say what I can say. Mobiles will come. I can say that one. But as a developer, how you will understand that one? As a developer, you need to understand. Whenever I type the mobiles, one select command has been generated, and that select command will go to the database, and database will provide you the details related to our wish, right? Whatever the data we have entered in the search bar, that will go to the select statement here, right? Here dynamically it will going to be changed. Okay, dynamically it will going to be changed. Or that means we can collect the data from the user and we can place after collecting the data from the user, we need to store that data in particular variable, right? That variable you need to mention in here, then it will going to be happen, right? Okay, tell me, if you know Java or Python, how you can collect the data, how you can collect the user data, user input, how you can take the user input? Scanner class. Okay, when it comes to the Python, anyone Python students?
In, input.
Int input, input, yeah, input. Okay, like that we can collect the data from the users. Okay, after collecting the data from the users, and we can store the data into the variable, that only, right? Like that actually whenever you are going to work with the Java, you write the program in the Visual Studio Code or Notepad or Eclipse, wherever it may be, you can see the output in the command prompt, right? In real time when you are working with the backend, you can connect the front end, back end and database, then you collect the data from the web pages, right? In real time, right? We collect the data from the web pages and store that data to that particular value, a particular variable, and you can place that variable dynamically when it comes to the select statements, like that, based on that variable, based on that user wish, database will provide you the data, right? Any idea, any doubt till now? No? Okay, clear, right? Session. Here, I just give you a brief introduction about your visualization process.